Hi, I'm Dr. Shikha Sharma, your health and wellness expert. Today I'll be talking about the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. So, apple cider vinegar is basically made from apples. The apples are crushed, and then in that liquid, yeast is added for the fermentation process to begin. So, like we make curd at home, so the fermentation process similarly has to be created to make an apple cider vinegar. Now, after the fermentation happens, there is a change in the apple converting into a vinegar, and it has a lot of health benefits because apple cider vinegar is basically a very traditional way of using vinegar. Some of the useful benefits of apple cider vinegar is that suppose if we want to make a salad, then we can use apple cider vinegar and a little bit of olive oil and put them together, and it becomes a very nice delicious dressing. This dressing is of course contains healthy fat because of the olive oil, but it also contains a flavor and texture of the dressing which makes it very appetizing. So apple cider vinegar is recommended for diabetics because in this there is chromium and it improves the insulin sensitivity in diabetics. So what happens in diabetics that when they eat sugar, because the insulin is not sensitive, the sugar levels rise in the body and the insulin levels also rise in the body, which create a lot of other problems like water retention, weight gain, sluggishness, and fat deposition. But in some products, natural products like apple cider vinegar, it is recommended for diabetics because it improves the insulin functioning. Another way where apple cider vinegar can be used, of course, is without olive oil or without any oil on its own to improve the salad flavor. And that is recommended for people who have high cholesterol. Normally, people who have high cholesterol are not able to use many of the dressings because they have oil or fat in the dressings. But in that case, very conveniently, apple cider vinegar can be used, which is recommended for cholesterol, for people who have high cholesterol, to lower their cholesterol also. Another great use of apple cider vinegar is that suppose if we like a little tangy food. Now, instead of making a pickle which is full of oil and a lot of salt, we can easily use apple cider vinegar and pickle vegetables like carrot, beetroot, and that becomes a very interesting side dish to your main dish. So a lot of people love pickled vegetables, and apple cider vinegar can be used to pickle vegetables. Apple cider vinegar is also used by a lot of people who want to lose weight. So the best way to consume apple cider vinegar is to use it either in your salads or a little bit in a large glass of water, and you can drink that. It has also been shown that some people show improved satiety or fullness after having a salad with apple cider vinegar. So with these wonderful benefits, I'm sure this is far better than a chemical vinegar or a white vinegar as it's commonly available in the market. It's natural, and if you can get organic and natural apple cider vinegar, nothing like that. So try the apple cider vinegar and do write into us at ask@drshikha.com, which is ask@drshikha.com.